Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to discuss how to do Python program using the Jupyter Notebook. So to access the Jupyter Notebook, first you have to launch the Anaconda Navigator, which is already installed. Type Anaconda. This is the Anaconda Navigator. I have to open this app. So it's getting open. It will take a few seconds. Yeah. This is the navigator window. In the navigator window, you have to launch the Jupyter Notebook file. So Jupyter Notebook file is shown here. You have to launch the Jupyter Notebook file and select the launch button. So the Jupyter Notebook is a web-based programming environment. It will launched in a web browser. This is a web browser. Launched in a web browser. So the web browser shows the Jupyter Notebook now. This is a notebook. So what you have to do, you are finding the environment. So here you have to access the Jupyter Notebook dashboard. Okay, so how to, okay, this is the dashboard. So this is what is shown here. This is the dashboard. So from the dashboard you have to go to the programming environment. So what you supposed to do, you have to select the new button. You have to select this new button. Okay, so new, and you have to select the Python 3. Okay, go to new and Python 3. So now in this new tab, it will open a new notebook where you can write and run your code. You can write and run your code. Okay, for example, where to write a code, you have to write your code here. Okay, you have to write any code. For example, I'm writing print hello. Okay, so to run the program, you have to choose this run symbol, run button. So now I'm getting my output. Okay, so print hello. So this is the way we have to run the script. To write a code on the script, there will be a group of command into a code cell. Okay, you are able to, not a single program, you have to write a group of statements. For example, now what I am doing, print hello. I am print welcome to Python programming. Okay, print have a good day. So I'll write a set of commands. It's possible. Okay, so group of statements. So now I press the run button. I will get a output now. Hello, welcome to Python programming and have a good day. Okay. So in this way we are able to write a group of statements. Now you have to give a name. Click this place. Okay, the Jupyter untitled, and you have to give a suitable name. So what I am giving, my first Python program. Okay, so I rename it. Fine. So now I have given suitable name. Okay, new name for this script. So I have saved it now. So we can run the script by using the script button. So changes, where the changes are reflected. If you go for the dashboard, okay, my program is saved here. Okay, my first Python program is saved. Okay, the extension is IPynb. IPYNB is the extension. So in this way we are able to do more program in the Jupyter Notebook. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.